How to turn on or turn off separate app sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration. After click on Sound and Vibration, scroll down and click on Separate app sound. If you want to turn on separate app sound, turn on this button and click on select. You will see separate app sound is turned on. If you want to turn off separate app sound, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see separate app sound is turned off. So you will turn on or turn off separate app sound from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off separate app sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.